Chapter 1, Section 4, Sets and Venn Diagrams. Pictorial Logic. A set is a collection of objects, which are called elements of the set. The set B is a subset of set A if every element of B is also an element of A. Two sets are called disjoint if they have no elements in common. Example: if P is a collection of all US states that touch the Pacific Ocean, specify the set as a list of elements. P is Alaska, California, Hawaii, Oregon, and Washington. In the set notation, we use braces to include elements of the set in the list. Example: let S be the set of US senators, R the set of members of US House of Representatives, G the set of all elected US government officials. How many elements are in the set S? Of the three sets, which are the subsets of others? Which pairs of the three sets, S, R, and G, are disjoint? Solution: there are two senators from each of the 50 states. There are 100 elements in S. S is a subset of G, and R is a subset of G because senators and representatives are all elected US government officials. The Senate and the House have no members in common, so S and R are disjoint. A Venn diagram is a visual device for representing sets. It usually consists of a circular region inside of a rectangle. Here the rectangle is all elected officials. This circle contains senators, and this circle right here contains representatives. The two sets are disjoint, and so they're not touching or intersecting within the Venn diagram. Here you have, within a set of senators, you have Republican senators. Republican senators is a subset of the set of senators. In this Venn diagram, you have a set of Democrats and a set of women. And some Democrats happen to be women, while other Democrats are not women. They're men. Now, outside of these two sets, we have male Republicans. Also, some of the women are female Republicans. I wouldn't necessarily say that all of the women are either Democrats or Republicans. I would say here that some women are Democrats, and these women fit into this slice right here. And some women are Democrats, and also, there's some women are independents and socialists and, Green Party members. For example, let A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and B 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a Venn diagram showing elements in each set. The green set A contains 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The yellow set contains 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 4, 5, and 6 are elements that are in both sets A and B. Medical tests do not always produce accurate results. For example, we use the category of all people who have undergone a medical test for hepatitis C. Let H denote a set of all patients who have hepatitis C, and let P be the set of all people who test positive. H is patients with hepatitis C. P is the set of people who test positive for hepatitis C. Let's make a Venn diagram using these sets and locate the following regions. True positives. These are the people who test positive and have hepatitis C. False positives. These are the people who test positive but do not have hepatitis C. True negatives. These are the people who test negative and do not have hepatitis C. And false negatives. These are the people who test negative but do have hepatitis C. The two sets H and P are overlapped. We'll locate the four regions. True positives both test positive and have hepatitis C. They lie in this overlap between the two circles. False positives are inside the positive circle because they test positive, but outside the hepatitis circle because they do not have hepatitis C. Right, so the two circles overlap. Patients with hepatitis C, patients who test positive. True positives are in this slice here, people that have hepatitis C and test positive. False positives are people who test positive but are outside of a circle with patients with hepatitis C. Right, so the false positives are here. The true negatives lie outside of both circles. Right, the true negatives are people who do not have hepatitis C and who did not test positive. False negatives are inside the hepatitis circle but outside of the positive circle. A double-blind drug trial separated a group of 100 patients into a test group of 50 and a control group of 50. The test group got the experimental drug and the control group got a placebo. The result was that 40% of the test group improved and only 20% of the control group improved. Let T be the test group and I the set of patients who improved. T is the test group, I is patients who improved. Make a Venn diagram that shows the number of people in each of the following categories. Test group who improved, test group who did not improve, control group who improved, and control group who did not improve. Solution. We create a Venn diagram. T is a circle for test group, I is a circle for improvement group. Then we determine the number of people in each group. Test group who improved, the overlap of the two circles, this area right here. Test group who did not improve, inside the T circle but outside of the I circle. Control group who improved, the I circle but outside the T circle. And control group who did not improve, outside of both circles.